Hey guys, it's Bellamy here from Midnight Sense. We have the new Sony Xperia 1.6. Yeah, so we're gonna use it to do what everyone does with their phones nowadays. We're gonna open Pokemon cards. So this is a video test, and yeah, we're gonna open Pokemon cards with this new phone. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna open this Chinese kind of exclusive packs because they have exclusive Chinese art. Yeah, so yeah, everyone's talking about this right now. So yeah, I thought it would be good to open this. Without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright, so we will open up the thick packs first. So we have Typhlosion and Lucario. Yeah. Alright guys, this is from the first pack. Got some Bidoof, Rhyhorn. For our hit, we got a Machamp. What Machamp is this?
Machamp VMAX.
Oh.
From the Sword Shield games.
Cool. Wait, but the Sword Shield, what is it called? Gigantamax?
Gigantamax, yeah.
Yeah.
Shit.
We got a cool Gigantamax. Or how do you even pronounce it? Gigantamax.
Machamp VMAX.
Yeah, we got a Machamp VMAX, very cool card. Alright, now we open the Typhlosion pack next. Oh wait, you already? Oh wait. Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Alright.
put the hits at the bottom. Ooh.
Ooh.
It's okay.
We got the color guy. Typhlosion.
Yeah, it's okay.
Is it a duck Typhlosion?
No, it's just the Hisuian.
Oh.
The regional form of Typhlosion.
I see.
In the past.
Oops, sorry.
Might as well sleep it.
Yeah.
Got too many sleeves.
You want? Oh yeah. There's if you guys see here, there's a. I gotta test the macro capabilities of this phone right now. There's a Pokemon logo at the bottom right there. Alright, so I guess from now we'll just speed it up because we have a lot of packs, yeah, so this will be like fast forwarded. Then you can just open a lot. Alright guys, so from the fat packs, this is what we got. These are our hits. So I think more of the story is really get the fat packs if you can. Like if you really want open packs, right? The fat packs have way better pulls than the regular slim packs. So from the regular slim packs in this big box, this is what we got. Yeah, not as good as the fat pack hits, but yeah, still pretty nice. Alright guys, that's all for this phone test unboxing. Thanks again for watching everybody, and as always, stay gold. Bye guys.